Saudi Aramco is going public in what's considered to be the world's biggest IPO. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with all of the details. So Hayley, why is the company taking this step?
Ultimately to raise more money, and it has already raised a lot of money. The IPO valued at $25.6 billion US. That's how much it's raised from investors, dethroning Alibaba, which previously held the title of having the world's biggest IPO at $25 billion US. Now, unclear yet when the company will begin trading publicly, but we know that shares are priced in the IPO between $8 and $9 US per share. And get this, the IPO values the company ultimately at $1.7 trillion US.
Wow.
It has a massive valuation, and it beats any other company you can think of: Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Google, you name it. It's the top company in terms of valuation.
Interesting. Okay. And I understand, staying on the oil front, that OPEC and its allies have agreed to a major cut.
That's right. This is being seen as one of the deepest cuts in oil production this decade. OPEC has agreed in principle to cut oil production by 500,000 barrels of oil per day. That would take effect in the first 3 months of 2020 and gets layered onto an existing cut in production of 1.2 million barrels of oil per day. Now, OPEC today will be meeting with its allies, including Russia, to try and get them to sign on to this. Ultimately, another attempt to try and prevent oversupply of oil in the market and prop up prices.
All right, Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver on this Friday morning. Thanks so much, Hayley.
Thanks, Sonia.